Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome back to our channel Mtsideas Creative Crafts and Info. In today's video, I'll show you how to rank first in YouTube search with 5 simple and quick steps. Step 1 says that you should have a unique and interesting channel's name which relates to your content very well. In step 2, you have to write your channel's name in your channel's main description. For that, you'll have to go in your channel and click on your channel option. Now select customize channel. Over here, as you can see, your main description which describes your channel as a whole is shown over here. Over here, you have to make sure that you write your channel's name in this main description. Once you're done with your description, click on the publish button shown at the top. Moving on with our third step, which says that writing your channel's name in your channel's main keywords section. For writing your channel's name in the keywords section of your channel, you need to go in your channel and then select your channel option at the first and then select customize channel. Once you select customize channel, click on the settings option shown in the left side of the page. Now click on channel option. Over here, as you can see, keywords box is there. Over here, you have to write the main keywords of your channel and also you have to write your channel's name as well. Once you're done with writing the keywords, click on save. Now let's move on with the fourth step, which says that adding your channel's name in your video's main information page. Same like before, you'll have to go in your channel icon and then click on your channel option. Then select manage videos over here. After clicking on manage videos, you'll be able to see all of your videos in this page. And friends, I'd like to say that this procedure is specially for all the videos and not just one video. You have to repeat this process for all of your videos if you are a new YouTuber. Also friends, you have to do this procedure while you are uploading your video and not after uploading, because if you are doing before uploading, it will be more beneficial for you. For example, I am taking this video. Click on the pencil icon, which is also called as the details icon. Then once you come on the details of your video, you have to write your channel's name in the title. As you scroll a bit further, you'll be able to see the description for your video. Even over here, you'll have to write your channel's name, which is important for you. Scroll down once again and you'll go in the tag section. Even over here, you'll have to write your channel's name with your video's tags. Once you have written your channel's name, also friends, make sure that your video tags are really searchable and they have a good rank in searching on YouTube, so that your video will also come up in the search. Once you're done, click on the save button shown at the top right corner and then your changes will be saved. Now friends, our step number 5 says that you have to be consistent and regular while posting and also try to create an engaging content which keeps your viewers interested till the end of your video. Hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please make sure you click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get all the notifications as soon as I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.